Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Password and tap on one of those password types, numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. Wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in the pop-up. And if you change your mind, tap on Use a different password type and select your login method again. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, or alphanumeric. I will stick with pattern though. Finally, you get to create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. In order to add a fingerprint right away, choose Enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions. I will go with Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!